In this video, you'll learn to make a star handle in Autodesk Fusion. And to create this, we use the Revolve, Extrude, Hold, Chamfer, and Fillet. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and create this sketch. And the first thing that we make, we will create a center line here with 40 millimeters of length and create this line here with 40 millimeters of length. This line here, the distance is here, the radius of this diameter. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 40 millimeters. And create another line here. Go to constraint, select equal, make these two lines equals because they have the same length. And now we will create this line here with 20 millimeters. The fillet here and here we will make this later, okay? So create this line with 20 millimeters and create a line here. So click here in this point, 20 millimeters, and create another line here. And now we will create this line, the chamfer here. We will make this later, and we will create this line here. And the distance between this line and the center line is 20 millimeters, the radius here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 20 millimeters. Okay. So finish the sketch and go to Revolve. The axis, select the center line here, operation new body, and press OK. We made this one. And now we will select the bottom face here and create this sketch. And the first thing that we make here, we'll create this circle with 94 millimeters of diameter and create a center line here. Okay. So go to create a sketch, rotate this part a little bit and select the bottom face here. And here select the circle and activate the construction line type. Click here in the midpoint. The circle has 94 millimeters of diameter. And select line, make a line from the midpoint to this circle. This line must be a vertical line, okay? And now we will create a circle here. And the center of the circle will be this point. And the radius of this circle is 15 millimeters of radius or 30 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle and remove the construction line type. Click here in this point, make a circle here with 30 millimeters of diameter. And now we need to create more 5 circles. So to create this, we use the circular pattern. So go to create and select the circular pattern. The object, select the circle. And the center point, select the midpoint. The quantity here is 6 and press OK. We made this one, so finish the sketch. And now we need to create a cut here. So go to Extrude, select all the circle. Make sure to select this area. Okay. And the extend type, select all and flip the direction. Operation cut and press OK. We made this one. And now we will make this cut here, this hole. This hole has 10 millimeters of diameter and the length is 25 millimeters. We don't have the angle here. So go to hole, select this face, and to reference, select this arc to make this concentric. And the hole type, select simple the drill point, select the angle, and here the dip is 25 millimeters, and the diameter is 10 millimeters of diameter, and press OK. Let me make a section analysis here to show for you. Okay. And now we will create this hole. We have a hole here with 8 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of this hole and the midpoint is 30 millimeters. So we will select the front plane to create a sketch. Go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And here, select a circle, make a circle here in the center with 8 millimeters of diameter. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 30 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select the center of the circle and the midpoint. We made this one. So finish the sketch. Let me hide the analysis here. Go to Extrude, and the extend type, select all and flip the direction, operation cut, and press OK. We made this one. Let me rotate this analysis here. We made this one, okay. And now we will create the chamfer. We have a chamfer here with 4 millimeters, equal distance. So go to modify and select the chamfer, select this edge, the distance here 4 millimeters, the type equal distance, and press OK. And now we will create the fillet. We have a fillet in this edge here with 5 millimeters of radius, and we have a fillet here. Look this. Okay. So go to fillet and select the bottom face and select this edge here. The fillet here is 5 millimeters, and press OK. We made this one. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.